Alright, so hi everyone, welcome back to Rohan Develops. This is Rohan Ramprasad and you're watching something very innovational, very mindful, and today's video is going to be about GATE exam. So I just wanted to ask you all if you are interested in GATE exam and want to know more about GATE exam, like its syllabus, its types, and what are the eligibility criteria and different types of things, tips and tricks, and whatnot related to gate, the gate concepts, how to make it easier, the subjects like gate CSE, gate, many gate exam are there. So if you are interested related to gate exam, do subscribe to my channel. I will be starting a series on GATE exam where I will be discussing the GATE exam eligibility criteria, syllabus, test series, tips, tricks, resources, and many other stuff. So if you are interested, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon also, so you can be updated whenever I release some videos. So just a basic idea about GATE if you don't know. So GATE full form is Graduate Aptitude Test of Engineering. So this exam is an entrance exam for the BTech students to pursue MTech. So GATE is organized by 7 IITs and the main 7 IITs and 1 ISC Bangalore. So GATE exam are mainly related to pursue MTech, and when you give GATE exam you get many opportunities other outside of MTech also, like PSUs and all. So I will be discussing that in the future. So today's video is about GATE exam and MTech things. So just like we used to give JE for pursuing to pursue BTech degree, and similar thing is MTech. To pursue MTech we have to give GATE exam, and that's what. So mostly these are the stuff. So why the GATE exam is very important to, it is basically for the higher qualifications. If you want to study a higher degree other than BTech, it opens opportunities for you to get into IITs and ISCs, prestigious institutes and all. So let me know in the comment section if you're interested in GATE exam, and I'll be making a video on it. And yeah, so if you have not checked it out, my channel, please hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and do visit all the videos and let me know your feedbacks also. So I'll be seeing you next time. So hit a like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.